everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Recently, we visited Arrowhead Lake in California, spent a very relaxing afternoon at the Great Wine Bar, tasting wine and enjoying the scenery. We met a very nice gentleman, Scott. He was sitting next to us in the outside patio row table overlooking the lake. He was curious about the purple cauliflower on our veggie hummus platter and brave enough to try one. Then he insisted to share his bacon-wrapped dates, which was so good, full of layered flavors and texture. You can taste the balsamic tartness, crispy, savory bacon, soft, sweet date, and at last the buttery texture of the cream cheese. Seeing we were not going back there very soon, I decided to give it a try and make it at home. To my surprise, it is not difficult to make, and the taste is the same as the restaurant, except we missed the amazing lake view. Let's get started making this mouth-watering bacon-wrapped dates. The ingredients are bacon and a jewel date, cream cheese, and some roasted nuts like pecans or walnuts. Chop the nuts into small pieces. Soften the cream cheese at room temperature. Mix in the nuts with the cream cheese. Open up the pit date. Fill it with the cream cheese nut spread. Close the stuffed date and remove any excess cream cheese. Wrap one piece of bacon around each date. You can also use half slice to wrap the date in one layer of bacon. The bacon will cook faster, but I found that the overall taste is too sweet. Insert a toothpick through the sides, not the opening of the date, to secure the bacon. They are now ready to pan fry. They can also bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the bacon is crispy up. During baking, turn them over 3 to 4 times so that the bacon cook evenly on all sides. I prefer pan frying because the bacons cook faster and crispier. Pan fry them over medium heat for about 5 minutes. They are ready when the bacon turns brown and crispy up. These delicious wraps can be prepared ahead of time. Just warm them in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes before serving. They also pair well with balsamic vinegar. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.